you.
On one of the questions on the quiz, it's saying pi radons equals blank degrees. Isn't it 180? Because
yeah, did
I hit that and it
on
said 90.
Yeah, it says 90 degrees is the correct answer.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I must have made a mistake when I was making this really hard. Pi is 180 degrees, right? Very good. So, what you need to do on the fill in the blank, some of you have never taken Nearpod, is you can't hit the right arrow as you figured out. You have to hit done once we move the things in the right place. So if you messed up on that, you could do it again, or you could do it again at home. But this is a fill in the blank. This is probably pretty hard. Lots of places. But so when you grab the stuff and put it in the right place, and I'm putting these all over the place, so, and in the wrong places. And if you don't get it close enough, so say I hit done, good try, I got 0 as well. So you have to hit done, not the right arrow. Now you can hit the right arrow. On the ready to take a quiz, you have to hit go, not this arrow in the middle. And then you have to hit next each time. And you hit next, and you hit next, and you hit next. Oh, wait a minute. Is this the one I made a mistake?
Yeah. Correct answer is 90 on that, but what it should be is 180.
No, there's a 180 there.
Yeah, I know, but
It's
whenever you finish it says
that 180 is wrong and the answer is 90.
Oh, okay, yes. The answer is 180, and I marked the wrong answer. I had the correct answer there. Okay. Good job, you guys. All right. But there were no other mistakes? See, that's pretty good. I think I made this on Saturday, but, or, let's see. Okay, it's 9:15. So you have to keep hitting next, not this right arrow, or you skip the quiz. Oh, I did make it kind of long, didn't I? Next to submit, and there, I did pretty bad, but okay. And then that's a picture you get to enjoy. Now these pictures, it's really hard to enjoy this 3D picture. Who wouldn't want to be in Greece or something? Okay. In the sunshine with your beer. I thought,
It'd be nice.
I thought I'd put a picture of someplace warm. And that's it. You don't have to start over. You can hit like this. If you want to save your notes, you choose notes, and then you can send it to your email. You can save it that way, or you just exit. Okay. So Did everybody try it? Did you have a question or just stretching? All right, so did everybody try that quiz? All right. It's 9:15, so we'll go ahead. I took roll. Let's see, I got previous here. Okay. As long as you took it, I'm going to give you 100%. So, or did she switch? She's over there. All right. Here we go. Let's get our notes out. So I'm going to talk about 4.2 still. Let's see, before I do that, so let's talk about this. It was due today, but I do have degrees, minutes, seconds here. I think some of you may need to see how you do this. So, degrees, minutes, seconds, and, oh, I gotta get the calculator up. And I will show you Shelby. This is okay. When I collect something, it goes to the bottom of Shelby. Hopefully you've all joined Shelby now. The directions are in D2L under content. Course schedule, integrity help, viewing the book electronically. Okay, however, the app for viewing the book electronically just changed. I mean, the old app still worked, but let me show you this new app. It just says e-text. You search on it. Here's what the app looks like now. You search on Pearson eText, and that's the app for your iPhone or iPad. I think it has one for Android devices too. You can look at your textbook. You log in with your math lab. Okay, so that's already, they keep changing things on me. Okay, so we're going to talk about degrees, minutes, seconds on your calculator. And if you didn't bring a calculator, we allow the TI 83, 84 calculator in this class. No 89s, no CAS calculators. If you didn't bring one, there's one on your computer. Just double click on it. It's over, well, it should be over here somewhere. So, degrees, minutes, seconds is when it's in degrees, or you could have it as a decimal in degrees. So we have to make sure our mode on the calculator is set to degree. So we go to the calculator and we turn it on, get out of the list, because it's in my list. And then we press mode. It's right next to the second key, mode. And yours, if you got an 84, look a little different, but you have to choose not radian, but degree. Mine's already chosen. Degree is highlighted, means that's chosen. If it wasn't chosen, you'd hit enter and choose it. Now radian's chosen on mine. I choose degree. To do these problems here, it has to be in degree mode. Okay? Now, and so I posted where I went through these examples. That's converting by hand, and then I have, well, let's do the converting by, I want you to do both. You check with your calculator, but I want you to also be able to convert by hand. So set your mode to degree. Here's the example. from decimal degrees, 50.6 degrees, to degrees, minutes, seconds. Those are the keystrokes, and I'll do it on the calculator. You start at the home screen, make sure it's clear. Then you type in 50.6, because I already set the mode to degree. And then I press second matrix, because that's angle. And I want to go down to number 4, so I can either click 4 or go arrow down to 4 and hit enter. I'm changing 50.6 degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds. There it is, 50 degrees, 36 minutes, 0 seconds. Okay, here's an example. Degrees, minutes, seconds, which is decimal degrees. So if we have 42 degrees, 34 minutes, 20 seconds, how do we do that in the calculator? First we type in the 42 degrees. Then we go to second matrix, which is angle, and choose the first one, degree symbol. And then we type in 34. And then we go to second angle, and we choose number 2, the minute symbol. And then we type in 20, and then we press alpha plus sign, because that's right there, okay? All right, then we've got that in there, and then when we press enter, we just press enter now. It gives it to us as a decimal, and I just rounded to 3 places. And then the last example, well, maybe I don't need to do this one. So there, that's what you do. I posted this in Shelby under the worksheet, this page. So how do you do these things by hand? Converting by hand, you use these conversion factors. Get the calculator out of the way. 1 minute equals 60 seconds, and 1 degree is 60 minutes. So you want to convert 50 degrees, 15 minutes to a decimal. You're going to convert the minutes first, 15 minutes, and you want to make a conversion. You want minutes on the bottom so they cancel, and there's 1 degree is 60 minutes. So you go ahead and okay, 1 degree is 60 minutes. So you just do that on your calculator. So I don't know, you probably don't need to. 15 divided by 60. And the decimal is 0.25. So that's 50 degrees, 15 minutes is 50.25 degrees. So 15 minutes was a quarter of a degree. When we want to convert from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimals, I'm going to convert my 12 seconds to minutes. So I make the conversion. I have 12 seconds. I have to write I want to put seconds in the denominator. There's 1 minute has 60 seconds in it. So I do 12 divided by 60, and I get 0.2 minutes. Then I add that to the 20 minutes I had up here, so I get 20.2 minutes. Now I want to convert 20.2 minutes to degrees. I do the same thing, these conversions, and I get 0.337. And then I add my 50 degrees to it, and that's what it is. So that's how you do it by hand. Okay? and decimals to degrees, minutes, seconds. So if we're gonna, again, so we've got decimals, we're gonna take the decimal part, convert it to minutes. So we just take the decimal part, convert it to minutes, take the whole number of minutes, and then take the decimal part of this, convert that to seconds. So, and we could check, I checked with the calculator, but it's the same. So, degrees, minutes, seconds. Worksheet, okay, is in show me. Okay, I'm going to change the due date to Thursday on that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
25th. Save. Okay, and if you did this and didn't show me the hand calculations, I want you to work the conversions by hand also for all 6 of the problems for full credit, post a picture of your work. So I want to see the handwork too. So if you only used your calculator, you only got like 50% on this worksheet. So redo it and resubmit it, okay? Because your calculator is good for checking, but we want to know how to use it, how to do things by hand too. Okay? All right. So that's degrees, minutes, seconds. Any questions on that? Okay. Let's do 4.2 then. Let me stop the tape reading and start again.